Hi guys, so I've literally just done my 3-hour flight from Australia to Auckland, New Zealand. Also just booked my flight like 4 or 5 days ago. Never met Jake before, never met Jess. They're about to pick me up from the airport and we're gonna go on an adventure around Auckland, New Zealand. Woo! Yeah! We're out here, Auckland, New Zealand. How are we? To Cathedral Cove. Look how absolutely epic this cave is. Good morning guys, we're out here in Auckland. We just jumped on the ferry and where are we off to?
Wahiki Island.
What?
That was rude.
I think that's us going. We're off to Wahiki Island, we'll see you there. Yo, so we just got to Wahiki Island, we're just sussing out this beach and then we're going zip lining. It's gonna be crazy. So we're out here at the mud baths today. This shit's like 150 degrees back here. Check this sign out. It stinks, but it's lit.
Day 3 we went down to Rotorua. Tomorrow we are going to fly home. That's the amazing time that we've had so far. We fit in a lot of the last 3 full days, I'd say, that we've had. Maybe there'll be another venture this year, we never know. And if we should do another venture, where should we go to next? Comment down below.